Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. #Introduction to NumPy tensors. NumPy is a powerful library in Python that provides support for large multidimensional arrays and matrices, along with a collection of mathematical functions to operate on these arrays. In the context of NumPy, a tensor is simply a generalization of vectors and matrices to higher dimensions. What is a tensor? 0D tensor, a scalar, single value. 1D tensor, a vector, array of values. 2D tensor, a matrix, 2D array. ND tensor, an array with n dimensions. Why use tensors? Tensors are fundamental in scientific computing and machine learning. They allow for efficient storage and manipulation of data, making it easier to perform mathematical operations on complex data sets. Getting started with NumPy. To get started, you'll need to have NumPy installed. You can install it using pip. Basic operations with tensors. Here are some basic operations you can perform with NumPy tensors. 1. Creating tensors. 2. Accessing elements. 3. Basic operations. 4. Reshaping tensors. 5. Mathematical functions. 1. Creating tensors. You can create tensors using the numpy.array function or through built-in functions like numpy.zeros, numpy.ones, or numpy.random.rand. 2. Accessing elements. You can access elements of tensors using indexing. 3. Basic operations. You can perform element-wise operations on tensors. 4. Reshaping tensors. You can change the shape of a tensor using the reshape method. 5. Mathematical functions. NumPy provides many mathematical functions that can be applied to tensors. Conclusion. NumPy provides a powerful and flexible way to work with tensors in Python. With its array objects and mathematical functions, you can efficiently manipulate and analyze multidimensional data. This tutorial covered the basics of creating tensors, accessing their elements, performing operations, reshaping, and applying mathematical functions. Further reading. To delve deeper into NumPy, consider the following resources. NumPy documentation, https://numpy.org/doc/stable. NumPy user guide, https://numpy.org/doc/stable/user. NumPy tutorial on W3 schools, https://www.w3schools.com/python/numpy_intro.asp. Feel free to explore more advanced topics like broadcasting, advanced indexing, and tensor operations that are crucial for machine learning and scientific computing.